Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome to my look at the highlights of the new 2026 catalogue from Miniart. At the end of last year, Miniart announced the basic kit of the Focke-Wulf F190D in 1/48 scale. Now it is here in the advanced kit range. This brings a whole lot of internal detail and photo etch parts. The engine bay and cannon bays look exquisite. Also coming is the advanced kit version of the Republic P47N1RE Thunderbolt, previously available as a basic kit, and the P47M with its distinctive dorsal fin fillet. Very welcome into the range of 1/48 scale vehicles are the Allied Standard N Airfield tractors and the RAF Type C bomb trolleys. The trolley comes with a selection of bombs, including a 4,000-pound cookie, two 1,000-pounders and two 500-pounds. They will be invaluable to many modelers for airfield dioramas. From the German side are two figure sets, one of German and Romanian pilots and ground crews, the other of German pilots and Luftwaffe officers. There's also a new set of Finnish and Soviet pilots with airfield accessories. All of these sets are at 1/48 scale. Miniart has also added some new vehicles in 1/35 scale. The first of these is the Kraftfahrzeug 1 Troop Carrier Type 170VK. Perhaps troop carriers pushing it where probably car would do, but it does have accessory rifles as well as a full engine, chassis and drivetrain, suggesting new variants in the future. The first of which is this Kraftfahrzeug 2 radio car. Plenty of photo etch details in this as well. Then there is the Sonderkraftfahrzeug 3A Maltier half-track. Again, no shortage of photo etch, and again a complete engine and transmission with link and length tracks. Also new is the German 3-ton 4x4 cargo truck, the 3.6 6700A early production. By the way, this is so specific, I'm sure there are plenty of follow-ons planned, especially as the whole thing is modelled including engine and transmission. The Raupenschlepper Ost is back in 1/35 scale with two new variants. The first is this mobile workshop with a fully equipped interior. The other is an RSO hauling a Pak 40 75mm anti-tank gun. The gun is also available separately with a 4-man crew. The previously available 1/35 scale set of the Gazo 5 vehicle is now released as the Gazo 5193 Command Bus with radio operator. There are some new figure sets in 1/35 scale as well. These cover the Ardennes campaign on the German side, including Luftwaffe troops and Kampfgruppen Hansen figures. Also two sets of German infantry. And finally, for a bit of avian authenticity, Miniart has a set of ducks and geese for your diorama in 1/35 scale. So that's it. I hope you liked this quick look at Miniart's new releases. Full details of the whole range are available on their website through the link here. Thanks very much for watching today, and goodbye.